So, good evening and welcome to the second day of Magic of Vedic Mathematics. Right. So, very first thing again, I would say the same thing. Tap yourself, pat yourself, because you are here who have taken the second step towards learning of Vedic mathematics. Now, this is very important, right? Because I told you we often plan, but we don't follow our plans. We just make a plan and then we shift our focus. Now, yesterday we learned why Vedic mathematics, and that was the academic part. Rashna, do you remember? Ahmed. So, why Vedic mathematics? Because the first thing, it enhances our speed, it increases our speed 10 to 15 times faster. So, that was the first major reason. Second, it removes the burden of tables. Third, it increases concentration levels. Four, it reduces scratch work and finger counting. And last but not the least was it reduces silly mistakes. So today we'll understand why Vedic mathematics. Can it be beneficially other way for a teacher, for a trainer, or for an individual who wants to start it right from the home? Vedic mathematics is a very big opportunity knocking our doors. Now, why is it so? When we talk about in the terms of India, so then yes, as per national education policy, this has been made compulsory. So that means every student has to do it. Right from class third onwards, it would be implemented. And as we are aware, whenever something new is introduced, we take time to adjust, we take time to learn. So, how many new people would be there to learn this? Second, so that would open so many opportunities. But when we are talking in terms of Nepal or any other country, so still they are not at the back end. Maths is always a problem. Maths is always a serious issue in any education system. So, like I was discussing last day also, recently when I was in a international conference at Nepal, it was highlighted that yes, students are facing difficulty in mathematics. They are failing in that subject, and certain steps are required to be taken in that. So, how can it be beneficial? So, you can start Vedic mathematics classes right from your home. You don't need any assets, you don't need any infrastructure. It is just like a tuition work. Like math students are coming to you. Similarly, Vedic math students can also come to you because it is going to reduce their fear of maths. It is going to make their mathematics easy, simple, faster. But if you think you have got good funds, then a training institute could be set up in any prominent location. Like we have tuition centers, like we have scholarship entrance examination bodies, and so that can fetch you a very good opportunity, business and financial gains. The third, a very in which you don't have to spend anything, is you can go for home tuitions. After Corona, there are people who always expect that teachers should come down to their home and teach their kids. And it is happening in big families where two or three students are there and they expect a teacher to come back to their home. So, Vedic mathematics, as a freelancer, as a teacher, as a trainer, you can start with these three activities at the earliest, as soon as possible. ASP. First is You can start these classes right from your location, or you can go to their location and do the same things. Second is you can open a training institute, right? So these are the opportunities as a freelancer. Now, sometimes we take it as a job. If you're looking for a job, I'm looking for a job. I don't want to act as a freelancer. I want a fixed salaries. So definitely, different schools in every country, every big institution, they are now hiring. As as an it is awareness is coming. People are gathering. People are collecting this knowledge, and they are looking forward to have a permanent teachers in their school, in their institutions. In India, it is almost done. But when we talk about other countries also, they are not very far behind. They are doing, they are starting. I have introduced in certain schools in Nepal also. So definitely they are also improvising on this. They are looking for more and more teachers on this. So job as a Vedic math trainer, this is going to be a very good source of opportunity for you people. And in case you are already running any mathematics classes or any consultancy or any tuition centers or competitive academy kind of thing, then this could act as an additional component. Like Rachna, you started with you were doing some entrance examination preparation. So when like you were looking forward for a teacher, similarly, people also need every year more and more aspirants are applying for the competitive examinations. So they need certain easy methods, and Vedic maths has proved to be very useful for all the competitions, the entrance examinations. Right? Yes. Any questions you have in this, Rachna?
हेलो सर।
Yes, ma'am.
मुझे वो कल का हमने मल्टीप्लाई किया था ना 1 1 से 11 से, मुझे वो 111 में थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज हुआ सर।
कोई बात नहीं,
इसमें
ये टॉपिक खत्म करके ले लेते हैं। इसमें कहीं भी कोई डाउट, कोई क्वेश्चन आपका?
नहीं सर, इसमें
111 I didn't teach you yesterday. Why? Because see, that is was the need. You should first do something. Now I'll give you two examples. 1 2 into 11, and the second is 1 2 3 into 111. Now what is the difference? Now the first question you should have asked me yesterday was why I was adding two numbers. Yesterday I added 1, then 1 plus 2, then 2 plus 3, and 3. Or I can write like this: 1 and 2, 2 and 3, and 3. So the question was why two digits? Even if it was 1 2 3 4 or 1 2 3 4 5 or any big number, why I was adding only two numbers? So the answer was, here we had two ones. So two ones means you need to add two numbers at one time. Here you have three ones. So the maximum capability, the maximum possibility of addition becomes 3. So how it works? First 1 only. Then increase 1 plus 2. Now after this we were changing. But no, now it would be 1 plus 2 plus 3. So what will happen now? Now everything is finished. Start reducing. 2 plus 3 and 3. So here the answer was 1 3 5 3. But here it becomes 1 3 6 5 3. So this is the difference, and that is because of 111. Got it? You write down this example first. I'll give you more.
6, 5. Okay, sir.
Right. Now, similarly, if it is more digits, 1, 2, 3, 4 into triple one, no matter. First would be 1 only. Second, 1 plus 2 only. Third, 1 plus 2 plus 3 only. Now, you have reached your maximum limit. So what will happen? You will shift towards the right hand side. So it will become 2 plus 3 plus 4.
Oh.
Got it? The same way, like we were doing in double one. The only thing is maximum limit you have to touch. Then 3 plus 4 and then 4. Clear? So
Yes, sir.
you can solve. That is not a big problem for you. Similarly, if it is more, let's say it is 9, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 6 digit into triple one. Not to worry. First 9 only. Then 9 plus 6 only. Then 9
9
plus 6
6
plus
plus
so my first is finished. Now what will I do? I'll move further. So what I'll have? I'll have 6, 5, 4.
6.
I'll leave 9 and I'll add 4 to it. Now I'll leave 6 and these 3 will
5.
be 5 plus 4 plus 3. Now I'll leave 5, so 4 plus 3 plus 2. Now I don't have anything extra. So leave 4, 3 plus 2 and 2.
And 2. Oh.
So this is how you will do it. And if it is triple two, triple three, triple four, triple five, same. First, you will be multiplying with the multiplier, and thereafter, you will be multiplying with triple one. So the difference between double one and triple one is in double one, you used to make a pair, two numbers were adding together. Here, you will increase. The maximum possibility will be 3 numbers. Correct? Now, yes, any doubt, any question you have, Ashna?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now, similarly,
Okay.
if this is, now, one thing here you need to understand. Suppose okay, if it is 12 into 1, 2, 3, then what you'll do? Oh, sorry. 12 into triple one. What will you do? Now you have only 2-digit numbers.
Yeah.
And here you have 3 ones. So what you'll do? You need minimum 3 numbers. So what you'll do, the easiest approach is add 0. It becomes 3-digit. So first would be 0. Second, 0 plus 1. Third, 0 plus 1 plus 2.
And 2.
Then 1 plus 2. Then 2. So this and this will be same. So answer will be 1, 3, 3, 2. Got it?
Got it, sir.
Now why this was required? You could have, now there are so many other ways to do this question. But always balancing will give you the better results, easiest results, and you will never get confused in between. So that is the way, that is the reason we did 0, 1, 2. Correct. Now, if we move further, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, into 4 times 1. So what will happen? Now that means first is 1, that is sure. Second is 1 and 2, that is also clear. Third, 1, 2, 3. Now here I was shifting, but now no. 1, 2, 3, 4, all can be added together. What will happen after that? 2, 3, 4. Then 3, 4. 3, 4.
4.
I've just written in vertical format so that you understand. Rather, you have to do in a horizontal way only, using the balancing lines. उमेश, जिन्होंने आज अप्लाई किया था, आपने उनसे बात हुई है?
किया था सर। वो उन्होंने हेटोडा वाली मैडम, हेटोडा नहीं, कहाँ थे वो मैडम ने तो फोन ही नहीं रिसीव किया। वो सर थे वो।
नहीं, आई एम टॉकिंग जिन्होंने आपको पेमेंट किया था आज।
अच्छा, हाँ, उनको बात हुई है। वो आज पेमेंट किया, उनको बात किया हूँ मैंने। अब उनको बोला था मैंने, फिर दो बार फोन किया था। अब ये तो कहा नहीं।
कोई So this is how every calculation can be done. So that concept was not for 11. It can be for 111, it can be for 4 times 1, it can be for 5. So indirectly, and further 22, 33, 44, and 222. So that was basically for the numbers, series of numbers. Correct. So it was not only 11. 11, though it is the name starting. The introduction is for 11. But if you understand, it is for the series of numbers. Got it? Now any question you have? Yes, Racha.
Clear, sir.
Now that is clear? Okay. So otherwise you faced any difficulty? Pragyan. Pragyan is from? Yes, Pragyan. Okay. So this was now the homework is complete. Yesterday's nothing, no doubt left. Okay. Now moving further. So homework done. Now coming to, just listen this and I'll explain you. The voice might be a bit low, so I'll explain. Okay, I'll explain. Now he is Mr. Syed from Nigeria. Now he's also a mathematics teacher. What happened during Corona time? He learned this concepts of Vedic maths. So what is benefiting him? See, when you are teaching in a class, it is not that students are able to understand every topic. In maths, because we don't have options. In maths, we cannot go beyond our limit. But Vedic maths gives several new methods, several new ways to solve the same problems. So now he is, I won't say he is getting salary increased. No, but what he gained is he is the most popular teacher among every other. And he's getting a lot of tuition work in the evening. Why? Because of his crazy methods. What he calls as crazy, but yes, it is Vedic mathematics. So we need to understand. If you are on Quora, if you check, I'm the most viewed writer in the world on this topic from past 3 years. Why? Because of these simple concepts. I have shared the knowledge. I have given them the concepts to solve the problems in arithmetics, in algebra, in trigonometry, geometry, easy way. When you start with the competitive exams, like I remember you were appearing for some competitions. Now, if from the base, if I take, when you talk about 6 standard examinations, so the maximum topics are HCF, LCM. You get at least 4 to 5 questions on this topic. And we generally get confused. But if you try to solve the same problems with Vedic maths, it becomes very simple. So I've solved around 100 plus problems on only HCF and LCM. So see how easy it becomes. And when it becomes easy, it is, students are able to understand it easily. And when students are able to understand easily the fear factor, the major issue is fear. So if fear is gone, everything is fine. Right. Similarly, this girl, she is from Assam, Priyadashni Bora. So she was in ninth standard when she did Vedic mathematics. Today she is the youngest, one of the youngest trainer. So ninth class student, she can teach Vedic. She's teaching Vedic maths to her juniors, seniors, and even please. Okay. See, if a teacher from South Africa can do, if a child of ninth class can do, why not you? Right? So this is what is the only thing required is just the mindset. Yes, we can do, and that is almost there. Right? So let's start with the mind exercises. Please take out your paper and pen, and we'll start. Yes, Prajesh, were you able to do the homework? Pragya, Pragya, you are from उमेश जी, ये प्रज्ञा कहाँ से है?
Maybe she's from today.
पर ये बोल नहीं रहे, अब ऐसे बात क्या? Prajesh, are you there?
Hi, sir.
So were you able to do the homework yesterday?
Hi, sir. Yes, I completed that.
You have completed that. Okay, great. So now we'll be starting with a new topic, that is scaring, and we'll see how easy scaring is in Vedic mathematics as compared to our normal mathematics. And yesterday you had a question that why 11 only. So we'll move further today. And these topics, both scaring and cubing, they are a part of syllabus of 9th standard, 8th standard. So what is the scare? What is the scare of a number? Yes. Yes, Pragya. Yes, Rachna, Amit.
Doubling the number, sir.
Sorry, come again.
Double the number.
Double means multiplying by 2.
Repeated multiplication by itself.
It's yes.
Same number, sir.
Yes, but
Multiply by same number.
multiply the number with itself again. So that is written by n square, which means n into n. See, doubling means you make 2n. So that is a different thing. Correct. Okay. Now, so square means multiplying the number with itself, and it is represented as this. Now, if I take a number 1, so what is 1 square? 1 into 1 is equal to 1. When we talk about 2, what is 2? 2 square, 2 into 2 is 4.
4.
So what is 3 into 3? 3 square?
9.
9. What is 4 square?
16.
So please write down this table. Now this table is very important. Why is it important? Because we'll be using this table for all the bigger calculations. See, right? Till now, in normal maths, in conventional mathematics, we have never used this small numbers. But now we'll be implementing everything with the help of this. Correct. Please write down so that we can use it. Once it is done, let me know. We'll start further. Done? Yes. Have you written?
Done, sir.
Okay. Now let's come back to see how we have to approach. Let's say we have to find a square of number 18. So very first thing, square of 1, 1. But
1.
remember, you have to write in 2 digits. So let's say 0, 1.
0, 1.
What is square of 8?
64.
64.
This is your first step. Second step, don't write anything in the unit place and multiply all these 3 numbers. 1 into 8 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. Add here only. So 3, 2, 4. Finish. Now, how were we doing in our normal maths? So we were doing 18 into 18. So 8 is 64, 6, 44, then 0, then 8, then 1, 2, 3. And now what we did, we made the use of first 10 digits. Got it? One example more. 29. So 29 scare me. What is 2 scare? 0, 4, 81.
0, 4,
2, 2, 80,
81.
36. So 1, 4, 8. Finish. Clear? Yes, Rachna. Is it clear or not? Amit?
Sir, can you explain this 36?
36 is all the 3 numbers which are there.
2 into 9 into 2, right?
Yes, we can also call it as 2AB. See now, what is the basic difference between, I'll tell you. If one method was, yes, multiplication, you might have seen, for example, if it is 23, in schools we were say taught 20 plus 3, and then we were applying formula a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this was happening. 20 square means 400 plus 9 plus
2 into 20 into 3.
120.
6120.
So 5, 2, 9. Now, why I gave you this example? What is the difference? See, in Vedic math, numbers are a number, the digits are taken as a separate entity. That means here A is 2, B is 3. A is not 20. Please understand. So what happened? A square here, B square, and 2AB we are doing this way. So what is the difference? We can do in this manner also. I'll explain that also. We'll come to that also. First, this is an easy trick because anyone who does not has to go for complete Vedic math, he just needs a trick. Or they have to just learn first 100 scales. So this is the best method to approach. And the point is, you are using the table. See, why do we learn basics? Why do we learn ABC? If we don't utilize in our sentence making or in our essay making or in our letter making. So here also in mathematics, we remember the tables. We do first 10 digits, but we never make use of it. You tell me, where do we use? Nowhere. So here is the important thing. Now what happened here? A square means 4, 0, 4, 9 means 3 means 0, 9, and 4 into 3, 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 2, 12.
12.
Simply 5, 2, 9. So answer is same, but simplicity is here you were getting 400 initially, 120 you were adding, 9 you were adding, and due to when the numbers are bigger, the calculations, the more the bigger calculations are, more chances of mistakes. Right? One more example. 72. So 7 means 49. 2 means 0, 4. See, here you have to be clear. If you write 4 only, then things are going to change. 7 twos are 14. 14 twos are 28.
28.
So 8, 4, 1,
1.
finish. Clear?
Yes. Sir.
Okay. So if it is clear, what is answer of 87 here?
87.
8 8s are 64, 7 7s are 49. Sir, 7569.
Okay, I'm just interrupting. Last day we did tables. Now you don't need to remember the tables. How? Because tables will not be asked. Dodging will be asked. You are immediately asked what is 87 into 7. Correct. Now you cannot remember that way. The best way is 7 7s are 49. This anyone can do. 7 8s are 56. This also we did. Whatever is the last digit, add here, finish. So 56 plus 4, 60. So 609 is the answer. That is balancing. Yesterday we understood balancing. Same thing. So just instead of balancing, if you want to say add this and the first on the 10th digit of this. One more example in this. 98, 8. So what happens? 64, 72. So 7, 8, 4. When you talk about how will students remember tables, how will they remember multiplication immediately if somebody is asked this? So this is the easiest approach. Unit place, you find out total. Tens place, you find out total and then add to it. So up 1 to 100 tables is never an issue. You can solve within 3 seconds. And more you'll practice. So if it is this also, then also it is done. Got it? So this was from yesterday's topic. Up till here it is clear. 87. Okay. 265 square. Pragya, sorry. Are you doing it?
36, 25. Sir, 4225.
4225. Now you took more than 7 seconds, 8 seconds to solve this. So after this topic, we'll understand how to solve this within 2 seconds also.
Yes.
There is a topic. There is not one topic in Vedic maths. The only thing is your mind, your vision should be clear. Yes, if you are able to visualize numbers and understand the reason, you'll be applying the logic towards it, and that will be a change in your life. Yesterday, we just understood one example of 11. Today, you'll understand 2 more and you'll see. Yes, Rachna, any doubt? Okay. So 78 we have done. 73 square.
4909 5329.
5329. Is it same, Rachna?
Yes, sir. 5329.
Okay. So what is the largest two-digit number?
99.
So what is 99 square?
81. 9801.
9801. Correct. Now see, you solve this correctly, but again, we took some time to solve it.
Yes.
Again, we have one more wonderful method with which you'll be solving this in 1 second. So it is all you have to understand, visualize which technique is best suited. Yesterday, I gave you example of 141 into 22. So it was correct. 141 into 2 into 11 is also correct. 141 into 11 into 2 is also correct. But we need to understand that this is appropriate and this is just correct. Because the moment 22 will change to 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, then this would be applied, not this. And that will only come if you observe the numbers. Right. Now, before moving towards the next topic, are the bigger digits. Any doubt from numbers 11 to 99? Why I'm asking 11? Because 10, we have already remembered the tables.
No, sir. No doubt.
No doubt. Now see, another approach. Using the formula. We can also do in this manner a square, 2ab, and b square. How this formula is derived? That is a sutra called Anurupena Sutra, which means by proportion or by ratio. Need not to bother about that. But if you remember, this is the same table you have done in your conventional maths. The only difference was there you were writing like this: a square plus b square plus 2ab, and you could shift any, or you can write this also. Or you can write b square plus a square plus 2ab, because it is an addition and it will not impact whatever you put first, whatever you put second. But in Vedic math, since you are using balancing line, so please understand, this has to be at the first position, this has to be at the last position, and 2ab has to be in the mid. Since balancing line, but what is the impact of the balancing line? I'll give you an example. Let's say I'll take bigger number in this, 97 square. So in conventional, we used to do two ways: 90 plus 7, because we know about 90. Everybody knows 90 table. And 7 also we know. So one approach was this. So 90 square plus 7 square plus 2 into 7 into 90. Correct? So 90 square means 8100 plus 49 plus what is this? Yes, what is the answer? 14 into 90. That means 1260. Yes or no? Is it clear or not? And the answer was 9409. we'll do a simple same thing. Now see what happens. And you'll understand why Vedic maths is useful. I'll say A is equal to 9, B is equal to 7, because here every digit has a different identity. So A square means 81, 63 into 2 is 126, and 7 square is 49. So 9, 4 goes here, it becomes 130, so 0, and 13 goes added, so that becomes 94. Now tell me. Same question, same answer, but see the difference. If a child is doing by this, he'll make definitely somewhere he'll make a mistake. Because 8100, a big figure, 1260, big figure, here 81 only. It does not matter, 2 zeros are there, but the figure becomes bigger. And how simplified it is. Yes, Prajesh, now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Why I compared with conventional? Because that was required. Coming back, we did question on 23. I said 04, 09, and 12, 5 to 9. This I told you. But the one problem is sometimes we forget. We always write 3 square is 9. This is what silly mistakes we do. 49, 12. Or we do wrong. So if you'll do like this, 2 square means 4, 2ab means 12, and here instead of 09, even if you write 9, then also you will be correct. If you write 09, then also you will be correct. So in case you miss 0 in this method, you will not be at any fault. So that means in this method, a silly mistake is also, it becomes negligible. Now it is clear. So this was your horizontal format. This is the formula a square 2ab b square. Any question now? Rachna, are you getting? Pragya, Amit? Yes, Prajesh, any question you have?
No, sir.
Okay, then solve 2, 3 questions. Will solve 67 square. Now do by this for 89 square and 73 square. Solve. Just come. Solve.
Four, 489.
All. So first is 4, 4, 8, 9. What is second?
7921.
Perfect. Third,
5329.
5329. So up till here, any doubt?
No, sir.
Now again, let's do 99 once again, and then we'll shift to the bigger numbers, because yes, this was a concept to do scaring of 2-digit numbers. Any 2-digit number you pick, you'll be able to do so easily in a lesser
Yes,
time. And see, the more important thing is that it has become smaller. The calculations have been simplified, easier, faster. So that was the definition I gave you. Vedic maths makes your calculations simple, easy, and faster. And I gave you an example how it is different. Okay. Yes, so 99 is 81. Again, 162 and 81. So 1 goes here, this 8. So this means 170, 0, 17 goes further. So that means 98. So 9801. Perfect. Now, so now we are clear about both the techniques, and we'll adopt this. We'll use maximum in a horizontal format, because here our silly mistakes are also avoided. Now let's come to one question. 102. 3-digit number. See, this method, this technique is not advisable for bigger numbers. It is okay for 2-digit numbers. There are so many other methods also. If you see my book, there are 13 different techniques written for only scaring of numbers. But I'll tell you, this can be used. How? So what I'll do is, I'll make this as A, this as B. So A is equal to 10, B is equal to 2. So A square means 100, 2AB means 40, and B means 4. So balancing 1, 0, 4, 0, 4. See how simple you got the answer. Otherwise, 3 time multiplication and then addition. See, this is your method. So 3 time multiplication, 2 times, and then addition. And here what you did, how simple it was. Again, yes, any doubt in this?
No, sir. No, sir.
So now, Prajesh, a question for you. Now, one student sitting at the back, can say a backbencher, he raised one question. Sir, you did A as 10, why not A as 1 and B as 0, 2? Can I do? Your volume. Can I do?
No, sir.
Why?
A cannot be 1.
Why?
A is 100, right?
Huh?
100.
Why? Why? Again, I told you, when A can be 10, why not A can be 1?
Sorry, A is a 10, so A cannot be 1. If it is 1 and B is 2, then it's 12.
How 12? 0, 2 I am writing, I'm not writing. And why do you take it? See, okay, I'm changing this question. Let it be this now. So A is equal to first 11, B is equal to 2. So A is equal to A square means 121, 2AB means 44, and 4. So 1, 2, 5.
No, you do it with the 1 and 12.
You tell me, is it possible or not?
It is not possible.
No. Why it is not possible? This is the question which every left-handed student will ask you. Logics. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 12. So A is 1 square is 1, 2AB becomes 24, and 12 square is 144.
144.
Now understand the thing. For the first time, you have made your unit place as 2-digit number. You have fixed it. So that means balancing says everywhere you'll have 2 digits. So what will happen? Only one will move further. 1, 2, 5, 4, 4. Again, the same answer. Now this becomes more easy. Why it is easy, I'll tell you. First, write down this example and I'll explain you. See, maths is playing with the numbers. Till now, we have been cramming. When you play, then it is different. Yes, Rachna, any questions you have? Done. Now see one question. Then I'll solve that also. 721. I have to find a square of this. Yes, please see towards the screen. That is more important. Here, if I say A is equal to 72 and B is equal to 1, Prajesh, can you see? Now here B is simple, but 72 means you have to do first 72 square. Otherwise, if you select
So I'm
A,
going with the
just see. Now this can be turned verbal, mental. Why? 49 we know.
sir.
441.
Answer is 51984.
Answer is
Sorry,
not important.
5.
Answer is not important. Please understand the things.
Sir, I have done same way. What is it? 7 and 21 I have done because 72 square is difficult.
Yes,
21 square is easy.
you got my point. What I
Yeah.
wanted to understand.
Yes, I got it.
And it's not difficult. Sometimes it is, even if it was here.
No, compare with the 21, 72 is little difficult.
Got it. So that
Yeah.
means you have the ability to do in a different manner. This was what I was explaining you yesterday. Till now, we have never given options to the student. If this
Yes,
is,
sir. Yes.
you cannot
Yes.
move this way or that. They don't know. They are doing the multiplication question in one manner only.
Yes, sir.
This is the difference. Now
Yes,
coming back
yes.
to, yes, Rachna, any question? Amit, no questions you are asking. Pragya, Umesh, okay. Now coming back, here also it was not different. Only the thing was to confuse you, I put 0. So A square means 1 only. And the 2AB. So 2 into 2 is 2 into 2 is 4 only. But you have to maintain two digits. So 0,
0,
4
4.
is here also. So this is the answer. No balancing also required. 10404 is the answer. Correct. And this would, if you understand, because what happened till now, I have explained one digit at every place. That is correct, one digit at every place. But when number becomes bigger and you are assigning the unit place as a 2-digit number, so that means at every position you are maintaining two digits. That is the only concept you need to understand. And this will be applied when you do bigger calculations. Cubing, when the answer becomes 6-digit, 7-digit, 9-digit number, that time this would be very helpful. Okay. But as I said, this is not easy. This is not advisable for 3-digit numbers. I'll explain. Okay. 269. Find out. Yes, Sachna, what is the answer? 269. Scare. Find out. You can apply any method, but you have to find the answer. And then we'll do the same questions we'll do by another technique also later on.
A is equal to 26.
Whatever. So became clear. Now you'll say, sir, Vedic maths is tough because we are not able to get it. No, actually, we know one method only till now. Yes, Rachna, what is the answer? Don't run away. Don't get fear. I'll tell you what is fear. Please understand fear. Forget everything and run away. This is what we have been doing with maths till now. Forget everything and run away. But now we have to change this ideology. So fear means face everything and rise above.
That's confusing. 269. Well,
No problem.
I want to add.
I wanted you to get confused. I wanted you to face the heat. Ek aur karo. And same question, what I'll be giving you now. 9 square. Here you'll take 3 to 4 minutes. And the same question you'll be solving within 1 second. When we'll do a different approach, because this particular method was good for 2-digit numbers or numbers near to 2 digits. Means when it was 102, 104, 121, it was. Please try to do this. Then, because you'll find interesting when you will be able to solve the same question easily. Yes, Rachna, try. I can give you the answer right now. 998001. See, so if I take this also or that, first is I'm taking A as double digit. So 9801 was 99 here. 9 into 99 into 2. What is that? 1782. And 9 square 81. So 1 here, 8 goes here. So that becomes 1790. So 0179 is added. So 0899. So 998001. If you choose the different way, means if you choose A as 9 and B as 99, then it would be 81 in the initial, 1782 second, and 9801 third. Then also you'll have 01 first, 98 goes here. So 98 means 0 and 998, and 18 will go further. So that is 99. So both the ways it was tough because 3 calculations you are doing. So minimum you need 3 minutes to solve this. Minimum. And we'll do this in 3 seconds. With another technique, not with this. So that we'll learn. But otherwise, are you able to solve 2-digit numbers? Yes, Rachna. Prajesh, 2-digit number, no
Yes,
problem?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. 2-digit, okay.
Okay, no issues. Up till 2-digit only was required. Now, second method. So this was finding squares of a 2-digit number. Now, second technique is finding squares of numbers ending with 5. Now, if they are ending with 5, I have to do within 1 second. So that is my target. How? First, if it was 65 here, so how we were doing? 36, 60, 25, 5 to 42. Correct? This is what we were doing. This is what we did by the first method.
Yes.
Okay. Now understand. Whenever we have 5 at the end, it will always give me 25. Finish. First thing. Whatever is the number before this, here it is 6. So you have to multiply with Ikadikena. Kal kiya tha, first sutra of Vedic maths, Ikadikena Purvena. So what is 1 more than 6? Yes, Rachna, what is 1 more than 6? What is 6 plus 1?
7.
7. Multiply each other. So 6 into 7 is
42. 42.
So this 6 into 7 and here 25. So 25 will be always fixed whenever the number is ending with 5. And the previous number you have to multiply with 1 more. We'll solve all numbers now. So 15 square becomes, what is the answer? First. 1 into 2 is?
225.
225. Finish. Yes, Rachna?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
getting?
Yes, sir.
So what is 25 square? First.
25.
625.
Yes, 2 into 3 is 6 and 25. What is 35 square?
1225.
1225. Within seconds now. 45 square.
2025.
2025. 55 square.
3025.
3025.
25.
65 square.
4225.
Perfect. And we were taking 10 seconds earlier. 75 square.
5625.
5625. 85 square. Yes, Ratna. Fast.
7225.
Why, Ratna? So you are going for an entrance exam. Think this is your prelims. This is only you have to learn there to be fast. 95 square. Okay, give me now.
1925.
Finish. 9 into 10 is 90. 105 square. Again, see, 10 into 10 into 11 is 110.
25.
Perfect. And 115 square. Yesterday we did 11 into 12. 132.
132.
125 square. Fast. 12 into 13. What is that? 156.
15625.
Now, see, these small calculations we need to understand. Remember,
This is sir. Actually, this is only possible for the number ending with the 5 or in the same trick.
no, this can be used with calculations of numbers ending with 4, with ending with 6, with 25.
Same method. Same method.
थोड़ा सा changes करने हैं. यही तो बात है. See, अभी I'll show you the same question you are going to do with so many techniques. कुछ entertainment बनेगा क्लास में तभी तो बच्चा सीखेगा. आपने अगर 2 digit कराने थे, you were doing very good in the first case only. But उनमें से अगर 5 वाले सारे निकाल दो तो कितने रह गए? ऐसे 6 because the method we did earlier, that was on paper, it was few seconds, but it was not every time mental. But with 5, if you use this sutra, Ikadikena Purvena, it becomes mental. So more you will be using your brain, your memory will, your intelligence will increase. Everything will increase, concentration. And so yes, 135 square. 13 into 14 is 182. And the last, I'll not go beyond 145. So what is 14 into 15? 210. Ab dekho, 15 into 14, people think how you got immediately. See, 14 means 10 and 4. 15 into 10 is 150. 4 into 15 is 60. 150 plus 60, 210. So this you have to understand. Otherwise, again, Clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shraddha, any question now?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now we'll go for another technique. The third method, that is called as universal method. First, I'll show you the importance of that. So now it is based on the concept of A minus B into A plus B. I have a number 23. I have to find square of this. So my point is, how will I make this 3 to 0? I want this 3 to be replaced by 0. So what can be done? Yes. 3 to be replaced by 0. What should I do? Yes, Rachna, Rajesh?
No idea, sir.
अरे 3 को 0 करना तो क्या करेंगे? 7 ऐड नहीं करेंगे या 3 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो? नहीं,
Yes, sir.
आइडिया क्यों नहीं है रचना? This is what you need to think. See, okay, I'll explain. See, so first thing is I can remove minus 3. So I'll get 20. Why I'm doing this, you'll understand. Whatever is subtracted, that has to be added also. So 23 plus 3 becomes 26. Now it is easy to multiply. I have to multiply these two. 26 into 2 is 52 and a 0. And square of any 9. See, the answer is 529. One more way, 23. I can add 7. I got 30. If I have added 7, I have to subtract 16. 16 into 3 is 480 plus 49 is in 529.
49.
Now, this was a very small number. You write down this example, I'll explain you in the bigger example where you took 3 minutes. You can write down once this, I'll explain you. Did you understand what I did? Whatever my target is to make it simpler. Multiplying with 23 would be difficult, but multiplying with 2 is always easy. So that was the reason I put 0 behind it, because 0 behind means only multiplying with the first digit. Did you understand, Rachna? Rajesh? Nahin? Yes or
Sir,
no?
sir, 1 second. Let me see that. Actually, sir, if you don't mind, would you please repeat?
I'll give you one example.
Okay, thank you, sir.
999. Now, if I add 1 to this, what does it gives? 1000.
Yeah,
Now, if I have added 1, I have to subtract 1. It is 998.
yeah.
Multiplying these, is it difficult now? 99800 and square of this 1998001. And for this you took 3 minutes, because there you were finding 9 square, then 99 square, then 9 into 99 into 2. And here what you did, you just added 1, subtracted 1. Now you understood?
Yes, sir, yes, yes.
Did you understand or not, Rachna?
Yes, sir, I'm getting it.
Sir, can you do it with one two digit number, sir?
Yes, I'll do. I'll do. Let's say 35 only.
33 you take, sir. 33 something.
33. First is
Plus 7. Plus 7.
so I will what happened? 33. I'll go two ways.
Yeah,
One
I got it. Now
minus
I got it.
minus 3. So I got 30.
Yeah. 33 minus 3, it will be 30.
Plus 3 would be 36.
36.
36 into 3 is very easy, 108.
1080.
And add 9 to it, 10.
Add 9 to 8. Okay, sir. Okay. I got it, sir. Got it.
They have plus 7. So that gives 40. Minus 7 will give 26.
26.
26 into
40
4
into
is
20. 1080. No, sorry.
50. And
52.
1040, na?
1040.
040. And add to this 49.
Plus 49.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yes, Rachna.
Really. Got it, sir. Very nice.
So see, the same question, 999, there, which you took 3 minutes, now it is possible in one click. Why? You just added 1 and subtracted 1. So this you have.
Sir, why no one explained this?
Sorry?
Sir, why no one explained this till now?
See, this is Vedic maths. It's not conventional mathematics. Second thing, I'll ask you this question. You are running a school and you can ask your math teachers tomorrow.
Yes, the same thing I'm asking, sir. Actually, why no one is aware about it? Even the maths teacher is not aware of the Vedic maths. Why?
The reason is, see, awareness. What does, yesterday also I asked you same question and I take live sessions. I didn't give you the name of the university. MSc mathematics students didn't know the table of 12. See, why me? Why reason is, when did you open your book last time?
When did you open your
Book last time.
book in the sense what type book?
The highest qualification. What have you done?
Ah, sir, MS book. Sir, long years back. When I completed, I closed.
So that means the day you go for the exam, last exam, the day you get the job, finish. That was the question I asked yesterday also. How did somebody answered me? That female answered me, sir, this was only taught to us. See, Prajesh, when you take live session, then there is a different exposure because 200 people sitting with you, they answer them. And the maximum people answer, sir, this was only taught to us. What the thing you are saying? Who taught you pizza pastas? Your parents taught you only roti chapatis. You learned it now because you wanted taste. But education, knowledge is what nobody wants. You want everything processed today. And this is the fact. In our books had so much of knowledge. Maybe this not this technique, but something might be there. We never check this. We just try to crack the exam and finish. And second thing, why Vedic maths was not implemented? So that is the political reasons behind that. I don't want to touch that issues, but yes, now it is compulsory. And it's not that they were not being used. It was being used everywhere in every competitive academy. But what happened, since it was not named as Vedic maths, somebody was using one trick, somebody was using second trick, somebody was using third trick, and things were going. Without speed, you cannot crack an entrance exam because that is the race against time. With your conventional maths, now I ask, tomorrow you ask your teachers 2 questions only. One, that 12 plus 18, 30, how to prove it? They cannot answer, sir. Second, table of 89, how much time they need? Third, why do students have fear from maths? So these are my mission is just to clear that doubt, to remove that fear of mathematics. I'm not a teacher, I'm not a trainer by profession. I was a core businessman, but yes, I thought why students are committing suicide just because of mathematics. So that turned me into this. And today I have taken thousands of live sessions in different universities, colleges, schools, and there you get, because then when you see the students shouting, scrolling, that gives you the excitement, yes, and that is the pain in them. You stand in a group, ask them simple question of maths, they'll say, they'll try to escape from maths. Yes, if we could have removed maths from our curriculum, then it's no issue. But we cannot remove, because everything has to be done with maths only. Right. Okay, let's practice 2-3 questions, and then I'll give you a 2-minute break, and then we'll start with cubing. Cubing is again very interesting topic. Okay, now solve 103 here. With this, it will be easy.
Yeah.
213 here, and after this, we'll have a 2-minute break, or I'll go and come. You can solve. And 307. Then we'll
Sir,
start.
10609, first one.
Yes, you solve it. I'm just
230. Hello, sir. Hello.
yes, I'm back. Yes. So what are the answers?
Sir, 10609,
Perfect.
45369,
45369. Perfect.
94249.
So was it easy now?
Yeah, good.
You
Very
see,
easy.
and now 3-digit, 4-digit. Similarly, and this is not the end. Again, there are more methods. Any big number comes. I told you yesterday also, any big number, we can solve it. Correct? Yes, Rachna, any question? Amit? Pragya? Okay. So last one question we'll solve, and then 4, 9, 9, 5. Yeah. Please try.
4, 9, 9, 5. Sir, 2495002025.
So see, such a big number, and you are able to calculate so easily. Got it? So this is Vedic maths. This is the power of mathematics. What you are able to do. Now, very small mistake we do generally. For example, if a question is 112, I told reduce this to 0. So sometimes people start doing 110 and 114. Now, this is not wrong again, but it is not appropriate. Instead of that, we can do 100 and 120.
Yes, sir.
Right, but because in the beginning I told unit
I have
place.
done, sir, the previous question 213, I have done like that. 200, 226.
Yes, that is what that is just a silly mistake we do. It's not mistake again. See, that is also correct, because in case of 11 we can do it. Since here it is 11, we can do it. But what if it is not 11, it is 12, 13, 14? So that is only a small thing we need to understand. We have to make this number simpler. Simpler in sense, either it should be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, or 100, 200, so that calculations are easy. So that was the only purpose, to reduce or to add, to make the number simplified. Correct? Okay. So any doubt in this topic, scaring? So we did 3 techniques. First, to find simple 2-digit numbers, scaring, and then 3-digit also we tried some. Second, when the numbers are ending with 5, then it was very easy, verbal, mentally. Third, a universal method with which we can solve even bigger numbers with much ease, much less calculations. See, the only point is less calculations, and that is very much clear from the example of 999 scale. Correct. So any doubt, any questions you have? So Pragya and Amit, no questions? Yes, Umesh? Okay. Now, another important topic which we have is cubes. So what is a cube of a number? What is a cube of a number?
My number multiplied by itself 3 times.
3 times. So n cube, and we write n into n into n. First example, 1 cube. So it is 1 into 1 into 1, that becomes 1. 2 cube. So that becomes 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. One thing, the table we did of squares. See, we use that table to find squares of bigger numbers. That is one thing. Second, the same table can be used to find square roots, which we don't know, which in conventional mathematics we don't follow. We go with the factorization method, and there we always become slow. I will not say students are not able to do. They are able to do, because in HCF, LCM, they have practiced lot on factors. But it is a time-taking process. But here, it is so easy that you can just do within some seconds. I'll give you an example later on. First, we'll do this. So, cubes of a number, again, I'll give you the same table. First 10 digits. First 10 digits we need to remember. After that, the same can be used to find bigger numbers. So today also you'll be getting notes. I'll put it in the WhatsApp itself. Now this was the first technique. 23 square, 409, 12. Leave the unit place and do it. So this was done. Then second was finding the squares of 2, 3, 4 digit numbers ending with 5. We practiced this also. And third was universal method, 26. So plus 4 minus 4. Correct. So all these notes are given. You can have a look and then you can practice 1, 1, 2. Now we'll be going for, so please write down this table first so that we can move further. Write down. Written? Yes, Prajesh. Amit?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now let's move further. Again, this would be like a game. We'll we'll have a game today. Like yesterday we played TikTok. So today also one game we'll be playing, which will make everything very easy. So now the topic is finding cubes of 2-digit numbers first. Now, 2-digit numbers means I'll take from 11 to 99 because 10 we have already done. Correct? So I'll divide these numbers 11 to 99 into 4 different categories. First, numbers starting with 1. So what are the numbers starting with 1? 11, 12, up till 19. Correct? They would be numbers starting with 1. Second, numbers ending with 1. What are the numbers ending with 1? Yes, tell me.
11, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61.
So up till 91. Correct.
Till
Third
91.
category, numbers having both digits same.
11, 22, 33, 44,
Up till 99.
99.
And the last category, I'll take numbers other than above 3 categories. Correct. So that will start from, let's say, it would be, the first number would be 23. Because up till 22 we have, so 23. 20 will be there, but 20 we all know. 2, we know the cube of 2, so 20 is same. 23, 24, and up till 98. Correct. Written. So we divided all the numbers into 4 categories. Why we divided? It's not to remember, to cram. No, because we have to play a game. And very easy game will be going for. Yes. So first category. Now first, let's take a number 12. Now when we have to find a cube of 12, how do? We first multiply 12 into 12. 4, 2, 0, 2, 1, 144. Then we again go for 144 into 12. 8, 8, 2, 0, 4, 4, 1. So 8, 2, 7, 1. Correct? So that means 4 times multiplication and twice addition. This was very small number. If number increases, you'll again have difficulty 19. Again difficult. But let's see how easy it becomes in Vedic maths. How interesting it becomes in Vedic maths. Just hold on. And see, basic thing is calculations are reduced. I'll take 4 steps in this. First step, create 4 spaces. Second step, write first space, write 1, 8. Second space, write 2. Any doubt up till here? Yes. Prajesh, any question?
3.
Now, why I took 4 spaces? Why not 5? Why not 3? Why 4 spaces? Why not 3? Why not 4, 5?
No ideas.
Think. Okay. Third, find square of this and write it here. What is square of 2? What is square of 2?
4.
Oh, only middle number I have to do, not with 1. Find the cube of middle number and find right here. What is that?
8.
8. So my third step is I got 1, 2, 4, 8. Now, always I'll be having 4 digits. The middle terms, double it. Double it, I'm saying. So double means multiply by 2 or add.
48.
Not 48, 4 add below
4 and
2, because these are separate identities.
SS.
And add all. 8, 2, 7, 1 is the answer. So see what you did. Nothing. 1, 2 as it is. Square of 2, 4. Cube of 2, 8. Double the middle terms and add it. Finish. Clear or not? One more
It
example.
is clear. All
I'll give one more example first. Let's say 14 cube. I'll not go by 4 steps now. 1, 4. Square of 4 is 16. Cube of 4 is 64. Double 8, 32. It becomes 1, 12, 48, 64. So that means 4. This goes here 54. So 4, 5 goes here 7. Now is it clear? Yes, tell me. Is it clear now or not?
Sir, just a second.
Please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, shall we try one question?
You try. Try now 13. Do it.
30.
Do it. Do it.
1,
1,
1,
3,
3,
9,
dash, dash, 1, 3,
9, 27.
9, 27, 18, 6, 27, 27, 9, 1. 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 2 and 9, 7.
How easy? Okay.
Yeah,
Last try 17. 16 cube. Sorry.
17 cube. 1, 7, 2, 343, 98. So it's getting confusion where you want to add.
Where? What confusion? Tell me. 1, 7. What is square of 7?
49,
What is cube of 7?
343.
343. You have to add what? First find the double of this. 14. 98. Balancing line in between. 343.
157 and 147.
So 334 goes here means 1. And what is left? 18. 18 means 9. 3 means it saves so much of calculations.
34 goes here, 1 will come here, 18.
This because you didn't do homework, that is the reason this is coming. Because I gave something which I didn't taught yesterday. So that was the reason I could catch. Because balancing, I told you yesterday also, 85% of Vedic maths would be done by this only. Balancing. Clear now? Yes, tell me. Today, because Nepal had a tragedy, so nobody from Nepal is attending today. We'll have with them later on.
There are the cubes.
Now you got it?
SRS.
Okay. Now let's come to the second topic, second part, numbers ending with 1. So number is 21 cube. Now, how do we do generally? 21, 21. 1, 2, 0, 2, 1. That is 4, 2, 3, 1. Yes? No. 4, 2, what I have done. So 21, 21, 1, 2, 0, 4, 2, so 441. And then again we multiply with 21. So 9261. So that means twice again multiplication 4 times and twice addition. Now what will we do here? 21 cube. See, earlier the number was starting with 1. Now here it is ending with 1. So what to do? Now I'll start from this side. 1, 2, third step. 1, 2. What is square of 2? 4. What is cube of 2? 8. Again, double the middle terms. 8, 4. So 9, 2, 6, 1. Got it? Yes, tell me. Is it clear or not? Not able to understand?
Sir, one more example.
Did you understand this or not?
20, yes, sir, actually 21.
You tell me what example. Let's say 71.
Ah, sir, 71.
So 1,
1,
7,
1, 7,
9, 343,
40, 343.
98, 14, added 1, 21,
1, 21,
147,
147,
343,
343.
1, 1, 9, 7, 3, 57. Got it? See, it becomes more easy.
Yes, sir, yes.
All 91 now.
91. 1, 9, 81.
7 to 7. 7 to 9, sorry.
79. Sir, 753,571.
753571. Correct? Got it?
Yes. Yes.
Now come to the third page. Third is both the numbers are same. Let's say 22. Can you just make a guess?
22.
First, I started from the beginning. Second, I started from the end. Now, where to start?
From middle.
Cube of 2 is?
8.
Put 8 everywhere. Double it.
Wow.
Cube of 20, cube of 33. 27, 27, 27, 27. 54, 54, double it, 27, 81, 81, 27. So 7, 3, 9, 35. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it difficult?
It's so difficult.
Point is, we need to accept that yes, we don't know. Math
3,
teachers have that ego that they don't want, because they are taking tuition, earning huge amounts, but still not thinking on one point. Again, still students are failing. Why? Got it? Chalo.
super, sir.
Chalo. Now, coming to the last, where we don't have, now here we'll be using the formula. Formula is a cube, a square b square a, and b cubed. Please, the format has to remain the same. We'll start with a cube, reduce one a, and increase one b. Now, this was the third step. If you remember, every time we were doubling. So doubling means 2a square b, 2b square a. What is this formula? A cube, 3a square b.
3ab square plus b cube.
So what is that? This is your normal formula, a plus b whole
B
cube.
whole cube. Yes.
But the problem is, if we'll solve by this, again we'll put 20 plus 3. And that will give big results. And here, we go with the smaller things. Let's solve it. First question is, let's say 23. 23 means a is 2 and b is 3. So what is a cube? 8. I'll use this formula, not this, because we need to maintain that fourth step only. So a square b. So 2 into 2, 4 into 3, 12.
Sure.
3 square a, so 18 and 27.
18.
Middle terms double.
36, 27.
54.
27, 54. 36, 8.
So 7, 6, 1, 12.
6, 1, 12. Yes, sir. Shall we do, sir, 97?
We'll do everything. Don't worry. First, let me tell you about the previous numbers. Now, first we did example of 12. Correct? Now, 12, if I use a as 1 and b as 2, so a cube becomes 1, a square b becomes 2, b square a becomes 4, it becomes 8. And what I used, what I said, first digit, second digit, square of second, cube of second. So that was like a game. Similarly, opposite, a cube means 8, 4,
4, 2, 1.
But what I did, I started from the reverse side. You see, you need, what is lacking in the class is interest. What is lacking in the interest, that you need to think of. Third, 22. If a and b are equal, so a cube is also same, a square b is also same. This is, so all 8. So what I said, simply write cube at all the places. So if these numbers are coming, why to remember the formula? Play a game. And always, when you give more options to the students, they'll find it interesting. Right? Now you said 97. Yes, we'll do it. 97 means a is equal to 9, b is equal to 7. So a cube, 9 cube is
729.
729. Second, a square. A square means 81 into 7. That is 567. Correct? Then
Yes.
49 into 9. That is 441. And 7 cube. That is 343. 3. Correct. So double it. 8, 8, 2. Double it. 1, 1, 3, 4. Add it. 3, 4, 3, 3, 2, 13. 1, 0, 7, 1. 7, 2, 9. Correct. Is it this or not? So as it is 3, now 34, if you will add here, you'll get 7
57.
and 135 goes further. So that means 6 you'll get. 183 will go further. So that means 2, 1, 2, 1, and 9. Finish. One thing with Vedic maths, what happens? Small digits you see. Our missing thing was, even if you find biggest elder one, they don't know the tables, small tables only, small calculations they forget. And here, when you keep on dodging, you find that easy. When you keep on repeating, you are able to do easily. Right? Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Any question now? So that comes for the workshop point of view. We have covered. First topic was regarding speed, regarding directions. That was multiplication with 11, 22, 8. And today we did 111. That was in exercise. You missed it. So same. Then with tables, the biggest burden of any student. And today we did scaling, cubing, right? So I have already shared books with you. In case you would be interested, you can see the complete syllabus and that can be discussed upon, right? Any questions you have now? Yes, Brajesh, because you.
Sir, no, sir. No.
Okay, so then, yes, Pragya, now if you have any questions, you can ask. Otherwise, I am supposed to finish with the Amit. Okay, so there I'll be finishing this and I'll be sharing you the notes as well as the video very shortly, and then certificates would be uploaded for all those who attended it, right? Sure. So thank you very much and good night.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. It was very nice session.
Any questions apart from these topics you can ask if you have right now?
Sir, actually, from which grade we can start teaching Vedic maths?
Now, ideally it should be class 3. But what happened?
Class 3.
Right now, it depends on individual also. Now, what happened in Bangalore, one school, he started in class 1 only. Why? Because he
Yes.
wanted more fame, more, opportunistic, like I'll be encashing this. He started with class 1 itself. But in class 1 and 2, we can give one concept, only one concept. What is that?
Which gets?
How to verify your answers. That's all. So that will be, they gain confidence. So my students don't answer, sir, is this the answer? No, they say, sir, this is the answer and I have checked. So that is a difference. When you get that quality in yourself, yes, I am correct. Then that, see, when you are confident here, then your language, your tone is something different. You know this. I don't need to teach you this thing now. That is required. That is missing in our students. Sir, is this the answer? Why? Maths, it's maths. Play with the number and say, sir, this is the answer and it is correct. When you are able to say this, it is correct, then number of things change. So in class 1 and 2, I generally say this, teach only this man thing. Otherwise, books are prescribed from class 3rd. So I have books where of syllabus 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, and then teacher training module that can be used from 7th, 8th, 9th forward. Right? Anything else? Yes, Rajesh. Then I would just close the session. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you for your valuable time.
Okay, good night. Bye-bye.
Thank you.